Did you know that having a good balance is important for day-to-day tasks such as walking and climbing the stairs, and it also helps reduce your risk of falls? Yes, balance is crucial to carry out all the basic activities in life. Hi guys, today in Yoga for the Soul, let's learn 3 smooth moves to improve your balance. These postures help with understanding the core, activating it, and improving focus and concentration. Let's start with the first pose, which is extended hand to big toes or Utthita Hast Padangusthasana. How to do it? You can keep a little distance between your feet for better distribution of weight or better balance. Breathe normally through the nose. Keep your hands at your waist as you focus on a point ahead. Bend the right knee and grab hold of your big toe. Once you feel a bit more stable, extend your right leg ahead. After this, firm your left hip in and lengthen your spine. Keep your shoulder blades firmly on the back and your chest open. As you inhale, start extending your right leg out to the front without compromising the length of the spine. Stay in this position for about 5 breaths. Then as you inhale, bring your leg out to the right and stay for 5 more breaths. To come out of the pose, on an inhalation, bring your leg back to the center. As you exhale, lower the foot back to the floor. Repeat on the other side. Extended hand to big toe pose is a beneficial yoga asana. Some of its benefits are: it keeps the hips and hamstrings flexible. It strengthens the legs, ankles and core muscles. Improves concentration and focus, and improves balance and stability. Moving on to the next pose, which is Ardha Chandrasana or the half moon pose. Start an extended triangle pose with your left foot forward. Bring your right hand to your hip and turn your head to look at the floor. Bend your front leg and shift your weight into your front foot. Now, reach your front hand a little forward and place it on the mat or a block directly beneath your front shoulder. Press down through your fingers to steady yourself. Lift your back leg until your thigh is parallel to the floor. Slowly, turn your chest to face the right, twisting your torso and hips. Reach your top hand to the ceiling. Keep a slight bend in your standing leg so you don't hyperextend your knee. Lastly, exit the pose the same way you came into it and return to extended triangle. The last pose to improve balance is Natarajasana or dancer pose. How to do it? Begin in Tadasana or mountain pose. Press firmly and evenly through your feet and take a point on eye level to focus on. Exhale, bend your left knee, bringing your left foot to the buttock and hold the outside of your left foot with the left hand. You can lift your right arm up in front of you, parallel to the floor or a little higher next to the ear. Firm the right hip in and engage your right thigh and knee to make the standing leg strong. Keep the torso upright, the chest open and lengthen your tailbone down. As you inhale, push the left foot back into the hand, raising the legs so the thigh bone ends up parallel to the floor and the lower leg in a right angle with the thigh bone and vertical with the floor. Before we sign off, let's take a quick recap. I hope these 3 asanas we spoke about will help you improve your balance, strengthen your muscles and improve concentration and focus. Don't forget to share your thoughts with us and keep watching the space for more such interesting yoga asanas.